Hello, my name is Ahmad and today I have come up with a very special and enjoyable lesson of Arabic language. The reason I am calling it enjoyable is that in this video I will be joined by some of my lovely students who will help you improve your Arabic vocabulary in a very unique and fun way. Now, to know what exactly we are going to do, let me tell you, last week I asked my students a simple question in Arabic. My question was, ماهي السعادة? ماهي السعادة? Which means, what is happiness? And the answers which I got from my students were so amazing that I decided to share them with you. So here I am going to share these answers with you for two reasons. Number one, to help you improve your Arabic vocabulary. And number two, just to have some fun. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and enjoy these beautiful answers with my students.
Hello everyone. Being a student and a teacher has always been a great joy for me. And that is why I say, بالنسبة لي التدريس سعادة كبيرة. شكرا.
الأسرة مصدر السعادة. Family is the source of happiness.
Tilawatul Quran Akbaru Saada. Reciting Quran is the biggest happiness.
مساعدة الآخرين تجلب السعادة. Helping others brings happiness.
And now is the time to see what my junior students have to say. What makes them happy?
I haven't been keeping well these days and I realize the importance of good health. So my answer to your question is الصحة هي السعادة. Health is happiness. Shukran.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. تعلم العربية سعادة لي. Learning Arabic is happiness for me. شكرا.
الذهاب إلى المدرسة سعادة. Going to school is happiness. Thank you. أنا دائما مسرورة. I'm always happy. Thank you.
I think juniors were better than seniors. Their answers were more entertaining than that of seniors. You please let us know your opinion in the comments below. And now before I say goodbye to you, a humble request to all of you. Please share the video with your friends, with your near and dear ones. And if you are watching it on Facebook or any other social media platform, then please visit my YouTube channel, which is Ahmad Ali Arabic Tutor. That will really make us feel motivated. Thank you for your time and see you soon in the next video.